The following is an excerpt from the 2023-2024 budget presentation by Prime Minister the Most Honourable Andrew Holness.
I am happy to report that in the upcoming financial year, the government will make available 10,000 polyethylene water tanks to needs-assessed households across Jamaica, starting with a focus on the areas most affected by the drought. Households on path, households recommended by MPs and assessed by the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation will qualify for the tanks according to the rules of the program. All the tanks issued will be placed on our national GIS database. This will give us valuable information about household storage capacity and how to plan for the delivery of water to those tanks. Madam Speaker, a parallel project is to assist households to convert these tanks, where possible, into rainwater harvesting systems connected to their roof. The Hart NST Trust will be tasked with developing a national service corps of trainee plumbers and future water engineers to install these tanks and convert them into rainwater harvesting systems. This will be a 5-year program with the objective that every water-vulnerable household must have storage and rainwater capabilities to withstand drought and water service disruption. So, Madam Speaker, we're going to procure these 10,000 tanks starting the next financial year. If you are on path, you can apply for it. MPs are going to be asked to make recommendations. We will send out a team to assess that people really need it, or there is a facility to actually connect the tank. And Madam Speaker, we will do this for the next 5 years so that we will get 50,000 tanks to households across Jamaica. And we will ask, as we have asked Hart Trust to develop a cadre of trainee plumbers and to train them in developing the skill of converting the rooftops into catchment areas flowing into these tanks. So with the accelerating adverse effects of climate change, droughts are likely to recur with increasing frequency and severity. Early in the new fiscal year, we will table a ministry paper with guidelines for rainwater harvesting, which will support town planning efforts. As we mainstream and eventually move to make mandatory the practice of rainwater harvesting in driving water resilience,